Good morning, students. Class 5. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach you English Literature Lesson 6. This is a poem. Name of the poem is Little Fellow. This is its first part. Now, I hope you all are ready with your book open before you to get poet's explanation. Loving students, as name of the poem itself reveals, little fellow. Fellow means little children. As the poet tells here, many of us have role models, people whom we admire for their work or the positive quality that showcase their strong character. Children often observe and imitate whatever their role model do or say. My dear students, poet tells you through these lines that there are children in our society who admire the positive quality of the elder ones and their strong characters also, the quality that affects the children. They observe and imitate whatever they do or say to the children. Now, read this poem in which the speaker addresses such role models. Find out what she says, what she has to say to them. In this poem, now you will learn that the elder addresses the role model and what does the poet want to say. There are little eyes upon you and they are watching night and day. Dear students, poet tells you that in our society there are little children who look the activity day and night of the elders. There are little eyes that quickly take in every word or say. You say, the children, the little children hears very quickly whatever the word the elders say. Now, there are little hands all eager to do whatever you do. Now, through these lines, poet wants to tell us what are the activities we do. The little ones, the children, are very eager, very curious to do everything, whatever we do. And a little boy who is dreaming of the day he will be like you. Now, take care here, dear students. In our society, there are children who dream one day to be the same as he looks the elders. In third para of this poem, poet tells, you are the little fellow's idol. You are the wisest of the wise. In his little mind about you, no suspicions ever rise. Dear students, through this poem, this paragraph, poet tells you that the elders are the idol for the youngers. The children accept you, realize you, the wisest of the wise, and there is no doubt in their mind about you, whether you are good or not. They realize you, the wisest of wise. In the fourth para of this poem, poet tells, there is a wide-eyed little fellow who believes you are always right and his ears are always open, and he watches day and night. Dear students, through this paragraph, poet tells you that there is a boy who is looking with respectfully, with respectful eyes. A boy is looking and believes everything right to you. Whatever the boy looks, he realizes that you are right, and his ears are always open as he watches day and night. In the last para of this poem, poet tells you, you are setting an example every day in all you do for the little boy who is waiting to grow up to be like you. And at the end of the poem, poet tells you that the elders are the example for the youngers. Every day in all, whatever we do, the little boy who waits to be like you after growing up. In this way, dear students, I hope you would have understood this poem as the poet intends to tell us that whatever we do, our little children of the society looks at and wants to be same. Whatever we do, the curious hands is ready to do, and we all are the examples for the younger who wants to be same after growing in his or her life. In this way, this poem written by Shirley Milton has been completed, and you will get its question answer in next video. As your time is over, thank you.